Hello everyone! I went to Target again, go figure. I'm an avid Target lover, shopper. I could probably buy the whole store. So I only go every couple months, and when I do, I have a Target haul for you guys. So I'm gonna show you, I stocked up on some beauty products this time. I did some hair, we've got some body, we've got some skin, tons of stuff. And I stopped by Starbucks while I was there too, so some of the stuff in here is fun, and then some of it is like not so fun, but I'm just gonna go through it all with you guys anyways. So I wanted to get a cleansing oil because I love to use a cleansing oil to remove my makeup before I do my second cleanser. I would recommend everyone be doing a double cleanse. If you don't know, I'll have an article linked down below why everybody should be doing a double cleanse. So this is the Cocokind Oil to Milk Cleanser. And it looks like this. I did look at the ingredients, and it has sunflower seed oil and grapeseed oil, which are like two of the ingredients in Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse, which is like $50 for a small bottle. So we will try this out. I pretty much like all oil cleansers, and I think this is gonna be kind of similar to the other ones that I've tried before. And it smells really nice too. It smells like really clean and fresh. It smells like something that I've smelled before, but I can't like put my finger on what it is. I don't know, kind of like essential oily, like naturally, but there's a little bit of grandma, can't lie. Smell a little grandma in there. I showed you guys the last shampoo and conditioner that I've been using, but it's starting to run out, and I thought these smelled pretty good. So I'm gonna try these out this time. This is the Love Beauty and Planet sulfate-free shampoo. And is this a silicone-free conditioner? Let's check. It doesn't have any silicones in it, but it does have coconut oil in it, which is a nice ingredient. I don't really know that much about hair, but I like the way that they smell. It smells really fresh. It smells kind of coconutty, but it still has like a fresh kick to it. I think that's the ylang ylang. And I like the little yellow packaging. Does anybody else like buy products based on what the season is outside? Like my products have to match the season? I think that's the first time I've said that out loud. I've been using a Flamingo razor for about 2 years now, maybe 3 years. So I got some more cartridges for my razor. I've actually had like 2 or 3 of them. I have really fine hair and it works great for me, but my sister has a lot coarser hair and it also works great for her. So I think this is gonna be good on a lot of different hair textures. Try it out. And they also have really cute colors, and it comes with like a little shower stand that sticks on your wall. I like it. This is boring. I got some lash glue for me and my kit. So this is just a duo lash glue. I like the ones with the stick so that you can apply it a little easier. And I got the QUICKSET version. So apparently you don't have to wait for it to get tacky like you do with regular lash glues. So we'll see how I like the QUICKSET sunscreen. This looks so cute. It's the Everyday Humans Resting Beach Face SPF 30 Sunscreen Serum. And listen to this, it has spinach, green tea, and hyaluronic acid in it. I have not had a sunscreen with hyaluronic acid in it. I have had a sunscreen with vitamin C in it. Let me show you. This is the last one that I had, and it's a really nice one from Supergoop. I had a reaction with this one, so we'll see how my skin is with this. I literally like broke out into hives with this. I might make a video on it, so I'm not gonna go too far into detail, but I'm a little scared because the last sunscreen serum I tried like gave me a really bad reaction. Hopefully this one will be good though. I like the little pump, and I like the color of the packaging too. And it's also, I mean, it's got some good ingredients in there, so I'm excited. Let's see what the texture is. Ooh. Ooh. It smells really light. And it does feel like a serum. Oh, that's nice. It just sinks right in. Like, I could smell a little bit of a sunscreeny scent when I first applied it, but then the more that I rubbed it in, you can't smell it at all. And it does not feel like sunscreen. This is another one where I just could not resist the packaging. This is the Byoma. I don't know if that's how you say it. Rich Moisturizing Cream. It has a triceramide complex with bukkake oil and shea extracts also. And this is supposed to like strengthen your barrier. It's nice because on the packaging, it breaks down the ingredients for you. So you're able to really see what's going into your skin. Oh, you know what? That actually feels really nice and hydrating too. I was thinking because it says like rich cream that it would kind of feel heavy, but it doesn't. It feels like this would be like really good for underneath makeup. I got some of the NYX brow glue for my makeup kit so that I can stick people's eyebrows up when they want a laminated brow. This is like literally glue that just holds the eyebrow hairs in place. The Kristin S Weightless Shine Leave-In Conditioner. I've been looking at this leave-in conditioner for a while now, and I just decided I would go ahead and get it. I need some more leave-in. It doesn't really smell that good though. It just smells really fresh, but almost like a kind of a scent that would give me a headache or something, so we'll see. I also decided I wanted to try this Raw Sugar Multi-Miracle Leave-In Conditioner and Heat Protectant, specifically because it's a heat protectant too, and because I have a feeling that this might be a little thicker. I was a little scared that the Kristin S one might not have enough moisture for my color-treated hair, so I got this one just in case too. It's got lots of different oils and good stuff for your hair. It's got argan oil, coconut oil, castor seed oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, blue agave ferment, vitamin E, tons of fun stuff. I want to smell it. Ooh, it smells really good. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I like the smell of that one. I might have to put that on my head. I might have to pour this on my head. And then the last thing, which was kind of a random one, is the Raw Sugar Scalp Scrub. This is their micro polish. And it is supposed to have a eucalyptus and aloe scent. First of all, I've had a lot of stuff from this brand. I really like their packaging, to be honest with you. And I'm also, I've been looking for a nice scalp scrub because it's nice to just have sort of a clarifying wash and something that you can also just get the buildup off of your scalp with. So I wanted to try this one. I had a different one before. I can't even remember the brand, but I really did enjoy it. This also has hyaluronic acid in it, salicylic acid, and micellar water. So it's gonna be very nice. I have a couple other products that are not from Target, but I wanted to just reach them in here and show you because I'm excited to try them also. I recently signed up for BoxyCharm. I've already used BoxyCharm before. I used my friends and I would like make huge purchases when they would do like their mega drop shop sales. If you don't know about BoxyCharm, it's a subscription service like Ipsy or, I don't know, Ipsy's the one that I had before, but this is the first one that I've had as an adult that I'm actually paying for myself, and I like it because you actually get full-size products. So you pay $25 a month and you get 5 full-size products. This is one of the products that I got. It is the Coconut and Fig hair mask from Style Dry. And I've been needing to try a good hair mask, so maybe this will make me very silky and soft. We'll see. My hair is going to be conditioned, honey. And there was 2 skincare items that I'm really excited about. This is the Korres Velvet Skin Drink. And I have actually been really enjoying this product. I let my boyfriend use it too, and he really liked it this weekend. It's nice because I can apply it after my moisturizer and just kind of seal everything in and give myself that added extra layer of moisture before I go to bed at night or before I start my day. Because here recently, my skin has been so dry. I just came back from Vegas. My skin needed this in Vegas. It is like the desert out there. My lips were blistered. And then here's a scary one. This is the Frank Body Brightening Vitamin C Mask. It's scary because it's vitamin C And that's the ingredient that has made me break out multiple times over and over and over again. So am I gonna try it again? Of course I'm gonna try it again, but I'm probably gonna do a patch test and maybe like on my arm or my wrist or my jawline or something, just to see if it breaks me out, because I'm scared. That is all that I have for you guys today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know what videos you would like to do next. I'm thinking about doing like a hygiene routine video, because I have a pretty extensive routine when it comes to like the shower and the products that I use outside of the shower and stuff that just like I know, like when I want to feel clean, when I need like, when we need a refresher, those are the things that I go to, and that's my routine. So I think it might be interesting if I show you guys that. So let me know how you feel about a hygiene routine video coming up. Leave me some comments. Make sure to hit the bell notification if you like my videos. And of course, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. If you liked this video, you can leave me a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video.